All right, so we're going to start here on section 7.4, reteaching with practice. So there's two vocabulary words. One of them is side, side, side. So it tells you that if every side of a triangle corresponds to another side of a triangle and they are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. And the next one is side angle side, which says if an angle of one triangle is congruent to an angle of a second triangle, and the sides in between those angles are proportional, then the triangles are similar. So this video, we're just going to talk about side, 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 and then I'll make a second video talking about side, angle, side. So I'm going to go through this example right here, and I've redrawn these two triangles. So the question is, determine whether these two triangles are similar. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to set up a ratio. So I always start with, it doesn't matter which triangle you start with, you can start with either one. I always start with the smallest number on this triangle, 18. And I'm going to put that over the smallest number in this triangle, which is 14. And I'm going to go to the next largest, which in this case would be 27, over the next largest in this triangle, which would be 21. And then the longest side of this triangle, which is 36, and the longest side in this triangle, which would be 28. In order to figure out whether these two triangles are similar, each one of these ratios have to equal each other. Well, it's difficult to find out if they equal each other before you simplify them. So once again, many of you have a button on your calculator which will help you simplify fractions very quickly. Feel free to use that. But if you don't know how to use it, you can certainly either email me or just simply do it in your head. So I know 18 and 14, well, I can divide both of those numbers by 2. If I divide 18 by 2, I get 9. If I divide 7 by 2, I get 14. This fraction here, 27 and 21, I can divide both of those by 3. If I divide 27 by 3, I get 9. If I divide 21 by 3, I get 7. 36 and 28, let's see, I can divide both of those by 4. 36 divided by 4 will give me 9. 28 divided by 4 will give me 7. So therefore, each one of these ratios is exactly the same. So yes, these triangles must be similar. And their similarity ratio is 9 to 7.